All smoke. It's crazy.
Well, welcome to this special edition of Recipe or Disaster. You want to talk about what's going on today?
Okay. So just over a year ago, like literally by 2 days, there was the deadliest fire in California, in Paradise, California, where we actually lived.
Mm-hmm.
We were all evacuated, and everybody in a good amount of towns, Polga, Concal, Magalia, Paradise, all gone. Thousands of people were displaced, and that included us. We just hit the 1 year, We just hit the 1 year anniversary, and today we decided we were going to do the recipe that we were going to post that week. Kind of a remembrance, because it never came out, but we really wanted to do it. So.
And it didn't come out for a couple of different reasons. Well, mainly the fire, but the other reason was I burnt my finger in the oil.
Yes. 1 cup of tomato sauce, some grated Parmesan cheese, and some chopped tomatoes. How bad?
Pretty bad.
Oil.
Yes.
Really bad. Dropping the chicken Parmesan disc into the oil because I wasn't paying attention and not following directions and all that. So, shocker.
So like I said, we just really wanted to take a moment, tell everybody from Paradise, Magalia, Concal, Polga, that we, even though aren't there any longer, we are with you this week. And all the people that we lost, we think about you guys all the time. So let's just go ahead and get started.
So obviously today, as you probably read in the title, we're going to be making Tasty's rendition of the chicken parm pizza. And it is supposed to be pretty good, right?
It looks good.
Yeah, that's what it says anyways.
I love pizza.
Let's see if it's any good though. First up, we're going to get started. First thing was putting the chicken and the herbs and spices all in there and getting it all tasty inside of a food processor. We don't have a food processor, but we use the Super Ninja.
No, it's called the Ninja Chef.
Same thing. Super Ninja, Ninja Chef.
Wow. So now your chicken's all together with all the herbs and spices. You're gonna go ahead and put that in a 10-inch pan with saran wrap around it. Stick that sucker in the freezer for 3 hours. This is a process.
At least 3 hours. The recipe says
2 to 4.
2 to 4 hours, so we did 3. It worked.
3. Yeah. Deep freeze.
All right, now time to take it out of the freezer. We're gonna go ahead and put it in some flour and then egg wash and then breadcrumbs. Make sure to smash those breadcrumbs in nice and good. Then you're gonna go ahead and freeze that again for 15 minutes.
So then you're gonna go ahead and heat up your oil. You need to get it to as close as 400 degrees as you can. This is also a process.
Yeah. It took quite a while. Like, I'm talking
did.
about an hour to get it just
good.
right.
And even then, once we stick it in,
It was still too hot.
still too hot.
Yeah. You know, we did our best.
But you're just going to cook it until it's golden brown, maybe a little bit more depending on the thickness of your chicken,
Yeah,
I guess.
yeah.
Chicken,
The thickness of the chicken.
chicken disc. Of your chicken disc. You want a chicken disc.
All right, take that disc out and transfer it to a wire rack and dab with the paper towel.
So next you're going to go ahead and you're going to add your pizza sauce, which they actually call for tomato sauce, and your mozzarella cheese and your Parmesan cheese, and throw it into the broiler of your oven.
Yeah. All right, that pizza's all broiled. Now you're gonna go ahead and put your little bits of basil on there, like spread it around, make it look all basil-y, and then cut it and serve. Let's see what we got.
We need a
Yummy. Well, I don't know. Let's find out. Let's try it.
It looks good. It smells good.
Yeah, it does.
I guess you get the choice of whether you're gonna fork it or you're gonna just pick it up and go. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good.
It's super good. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I'm actually surprised because that tomato paste, like I was expecting a tomato sauce, it was gonna make it kind of bland.
Mm-hmm.
But it actually has really good flavor in the chicken.
It actually works.
Mm-hmm.
It works really well. Yeah, the combinations of herbs and spices and everything very cohesive in there.
And it's not dry at all. It's
No.
actually quite
Very
moist.
Kate.
Ongoing jokes.
Yeah, so I definitely recommend this. I'd give this an 8 out of 10, definitely.
Easy 8 out of 10. Maybe
Yeah.
even like a 9, or
No, I'm giving it an 8. You giving it a 9?
I might be giving it a 9.
Yeah, I'm going to go 8. This, I'll definitely make it again.
You know what's
Very
really
good.
great though is you don't have like that craving for the pasta. Like with chicken parm, I always want pasta. But this, like, I don't feel like I'm missing out on it. I would say a good Caesar salad would be like really nice with this.
Yeah, that'd be amazing.
But wowzers,
Yeah.
quite impressed.
So definitely, guys, check this out. Try it. Just be careful with the frying of the oil and everything, because I've had experience.
Parmesan cheese and some chopped.
All right, well, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. We have tons of videos for you to watch. Just go back through our catalog and you'll see all kinds of stuff. So, and we have more coming for you all the time. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and like the video.
Bell
Hit the
icon.
thumb up and the bell icon, yeah.
All of them.
Yep.
Just
hit
hit it
the
all.
bell icon on YouTube. Make sure you get all our videos. And of course, the original recipe is in the description, so check that out and make it for yourself. Let us know in the comment section how you liked it, and if you'd like to see any other recipes that you'd like to try, or you'd like us to try. Anyways, so yeah.
He couldn't talk today.
Can't talk today. Hey, you know what? That's a recipe, not a disaster. We'll see you next time.